How to check screen time on Android. Smartphones are such a big part of our lives, but it can be easy to lose track of just how long we spend staring at them. Fortunately, you can check your screen time on Android through the Digital Wellbeing app, which tracks both your total phone usage and how long you spend in individual apps. Here's how to use it. Check your screen time on Android. Digital Wellbeing is a built-in app on Android 9 and above, so you won't need to install any extra software. Get started by going to Settings and then tap on Digital Wellbeing in Parental Controls. The first screen shows a donut chart summarizing your total phone usage today and the apps you've been using. Tap on the center of the chart to drill down into the details. You'll now see a bar chart showing your screen time for the current week. Tap on one of the days to see your app usage for that day. Select one of the apps in the bottom half of the screen for more detailed info on the specific program. There, you can set a timer to limit how long you can use it in a day, as well as take control of the notifications you get from it. In some apps, YouTube, for example, you'll also get a link to the app's own dashboard with further controls for managing your screen time, including take a break reminders. Note that Digital Wellbeing might look slightly different on some phones, as manufacturers often customize it with their own features. However, all versions work in the same way. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.